The IPAC is a portable air conditioner that can be used in a variety of commercial and industrial applications. Mid-sized in the range, the IPAC-61 has a maximum airflow of 264 litres per second and can be used in areas of up to 50 square metres. It has two flexible arms that can direct airflow to the desired area. The control panel includes a self-diagnostic function and display, as well as room or spot cooling modes for larger spaces. The unit includes a 12-litre condensation tank that can be easily removed for draining. The IPAC-61 purifies and dehumidifies the air and includes washable filters as standard. By connecting ducting to the unit, hot air can be easily exhausted. The unit comes with heavy-duty casters with brake function, allowing for easy movement and stationary positions. This unit includes a 3-pin 10-amp plug that can be plugged into any standard power outlet. The IPAC-61 is appropriate for use in warehouses, workshops and factories, among other places.